Welcome to Gen Z Insider.
Hi from Gen Z Insider, and for today's science experiment, we're going to do liquid stacking. So first, you need dark corn syrup, dish detergent, water with a little bit of food coloring mixed in it. Doesn't matter what color you use, and vegetable oil. So I can start stacking. You want to start with the heaviest liquid. You can put a lot in there because we're going to have to stack both things. Put this. Right now you can kind of see it start. Yeah, it looks pretty good now. Alright, now. Alright, now we have to pour it like this so it doesn't mix. I'm going to drop it. It looks pretty good now. Hopefully it doesn't mix with the... Yeah, that looks pretty good. Have to put this in sideways too. That looks pretty cool. Can't really see the vegetable oil, but it looks pretty cool. I think there's 4 layers here. So the corn syrup, then the dish detergent, and the water, and then the vegetable oil. So there's four layers. It does look pretty cool. You could actually mix certain kinds of liquids together, and we don't have like rubbing alcohol, or else we could have put another layer on there, but we don't. Right now we're gonna make a homemade lava lamp, which is we're gonna coat the bottom with baking soda, and then we're gonna put olive oil in, and then we're gonna put the vinegar in. And we dyed the vinegar with food coloring, so we use a bunch of different colors, and you're gonna see what's gonna happen when we put them in. I'll spill this anywhere. I have to coat the bottom really good, so I'll put like one more spoon in there because we have to put it in that one too. Right, that should be good for that one. I'll put that one in there. This one's a little bigger. Alright, that's all for that. Alright, now we can put the olive oil in. I think that's enough. I don't think he got enough. I told me to throw it all the way, and I did. Alright, if we use olive oil. Gonna be a little different. How do you get this thing? How many fingers? I wonder if it's gonna make a difference if we use this kind of olive oil rather than the other one. Okay, now we could start adding the... We'll use the blue, the vinegar. We can add the vinegar now. You're gonna see how it starts floating to the top when it hits the... It's gonna slowly float to the top when it hits the baking soda. I hope we can see it now. Oh no, it's just staying at the top. Woof, the vinegar really stinks. Now we're getting a lot of bubbles. That's gonna look really cool. Wow, see all those bubbles at the bottom? Now I can start doing this one. Now we're going to add the black to it. That looks really cool. More in there. And then I can put black. Put a few spoons of black in there. Looks like blue and purple. Whew, you can really hear it fizzle and it smells really bad. And this is how you make a homemade lava lamp. Looks pretty cool. All little bubbles. This one is done, the blue one is done. But it looked pretty cool in the beginning. I put a lot of baking soda in this one. Now it just looks like a horrible color. But I don't know what happened to this one. I don't know, maybe I didn't put enough baking soda in it. And make sure you try this at home. This is pretty cool experiments. We found them online. And this one is really, keep going, that's crazy. Well, look how much baking soda is at the bottom. So if you put a lot of baking soda, you get a lot more time and bubbles in it. I guess this is pretty cool for a makeshift lava lamp. It doesn't look like a really cool lava lamp, but I mean, it's different.